guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited because I'm gonna share with you guys the newest watch that I added to my collection. देखो, when I shared my Harloka review, Fossil Harloka watch का review with you guys, that's when I also shared that I really want to add a silver watch to my collection. मेरे पास gold as well as dual tone color का watches है. Casio का gold है and then Fossil का Harlow is in dual tone color. So I really wanted, and I actually shared that I really wanted a classic timeless piece. That's when I spotted this particular Fossil का ही मैं चाह रही थी कि मैं लूँगी, and I really wanted to go for this style. It's so beautiful, but मुझे ना थोड़ा सा confusion हुआ था क्योंकि I saw a lot of people struggling with the dial size क्योंकि बहुत ही बड़ा हो जा रहा था. That's when I saw कि it actually comes in 2 to 3 different sizes. Regular आपको 23 and 26 में आपको मिल जाएगा, and the newest latest launch जो इन्होंने किया है, it's this tiny. So the watch is this tiny. इनका dial इतना सा है. So I had tried it on, but मैंने picture नहीं लिया. But it was way too small for me. So that's when I decided कि let's go for the 23mm, and it just fits so beautifully. So अगर आपको इस तरीके की watch चाहिए जो rectangular dial में आता है, and if you're confused कि आपका narrow wrist है and it is not fit well, sizes बहुत बड़े हो जाएंगे, please go for the smallest size, that is 23mm. So if you're looking for a very beautiful watch under rupees 15,000 and you want a timeless classic retro vibe wala watch, this is the watch that you should go for. So let me show you guys my newest purchase. Last year मैंने Fossil का Harlow watch लिया था and it was such a beautiful purchase. जब वो newly launch हुआ था तभी मैंने लिया था. Lot of times watches के dial ना काफ़ी बड़े हो जाते हैं. It does not fit well. It does not look good. काफ़ी bulky भी होता है. So that particular piece was such a beautiful piece. बहुत ही सुंदर तरीके से बैठ रहा था. So that was like a best purchase watch in terms of watches, and मुझे एक silver watch चाहिए था, like I said, and I wanted to go for Fossil as well. Last time I was actually thinking of going for Daniel Wellington, but quality was so pathetic. बहुत ही हल्का था. I do not like इतने light चीज़ें. I want to buy things that I can actually feel. घर ही ले रही हूँ, मेहनत के पैसे हैं तो थोड़ा सा तो मैं feel करूँ ना. That's when I decided I'm going to go for Fossil because I love the quality. इनके strap की quality, इनके glass की quality बहुत ही अच्छे है. So I went for the Fossil. So this is what the packaging looks like. चलो मैं आपको दिखाती हूँ कि what I got last time. You guys showered so much love on my last video. So this is the watch that I got last time. This is the Harloka watch in a dual tone strap. Western as well as Indian wear दोनों के साथ ही चला जाएगा. So this is the watch that I got last time. You guys showered so much of love. I don't know why, but हमेशा जब भी मैं South City जाती हूँ उनके shopper stop से ही मेरा खरीदना हो रहा है. So last time मैंने Fossil का shopper stop से South City से मैंने लिया, and this time again I got from Fossil from shopper stop again from South City. So this is what the packaging looks like. इतना cute इनका minimalistic brown outer packaging है, and then we have the box right here. Box काफ़ी ज़्यादा beautiful and cute है. Last time बहुत ही simple सा box था, बहुत ही boring सा box था in fact, but this time look at the box. It's so cute, काफ़ी चटपटा है. Keep your friends close and your snacks closer, and then you have the Fossil का branding. यहाँ पे लिखा हुआ है snack responsibility. So the box is actually very cute. French fries आपको दिख जाएगा. Oh my god, जब मैंने इसे try करा, I was like one try में ही I decided कि this is the watch that I want to go for. So this is what I got. It is such a beautiful timeless piece. मैं इस तरीके से चीज़ें choose करती हूँ कि वो कभी trend से जाएंगे ही नहीं. I don't go for trending pieces. वो आज है कल चले जाएंगे and you're not way to wear it. So why go for stuff that is just trending? Go for classic. Go for timeless pieces. So that's when I decided to go for this. Again, the Harlow watch is like a timeless piece. So this is what the beautiful watch looks like. Such a beautiful silver color, and it just fits me so well. So go for the 23mm, and it is just going to fit you so well. Wrist पे बहुत ही सुंदर लगता है, and the strap, you guys, I love the strap. आप शायद देख पा रही हो. It is such a beautiful timeless piece. I love how it looks. It looks so posh, so beautiful, and so expensive. So this is what the dial looks like. Let's go ahead and wear this. I love how beautiful and classic this looks. It just looks so nice. The moment I wore this, it just enhances the whole entire look. It looks so nice, so beautiful, so classic. So if you're looking for a very classic, good quality timeless piece, this is something that you should definitely, you know, go ahead and get your hands on without a second doubt. This is like the best option if you are looking for something that is of very good quality, is such a timeless piece. आप you know सालों साल पहन पाओगे. You want to buy something that is under ₹15,000 and above ₹10,000. This is like the best option that you can go for. No compromise on the quality. Looks so good, so timeless, and is such a compliment getter. This is my latest addition and I freaking love it. मैंने नहीं बताया था in the previous video Hard Locker watch का review जब मैं कर रही थी कि this are water resistant till 50 meters. Also I want to mention one thing. I don't know if it's true or not. मैं गलत भी हो सकती हूँ, but जब मैं इस वाले you know watch को देख रही थी Amazon पे scroll कर रही थी, I saw this picture right here. I'll attach it right here, so you can see it is written that all the straps right here are interchangeable. I'm not sure if it's true or not. I have to go ahead and you know talk to the Fossil की physical store में जाके actually में मुझे पता चलेगा कि if these are actually interchangeable. If these are interchangeable, you guys, silver के dial पे आप सोचो एक brown या फिर black leather का strap कितना सुंदर लगने वाला है. So I'm really excited. I will be getting the information very soon. So yeah, that's it for today's video and I hope you guys like it. ये था मेरा छोटा सा review. अगर आपको ये particular variant चाहिए and if you have a very small and narrow waist, please go for the 23mm instead of the 26mm. And उनका एक और variant निकला है. I think it is not even like listed online. मैंने Shoppers Stop के showroom में देखा था कि इतना सा उन्होंने dial निकाला है. So that was very small. मुझे याद भी नहीं था कि मैं एक फोटो ले लूँ और उनका एक apparently कुछ नया वेरिएंट भी निकला है. But if you have a narrow wrist and if you want a classic timeless piece, go for the 23mm in this style. You are surely going to get so many compliments. So yeah, that's it for today's video and I hope you guys like it. मैं सारी चीज़ों के लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में डाल दूँगी, आप लोग ज़रूर चेक कर लेना. And I will see you guys very soon. तब तक के लिए take care and bye bye.